In this video, I'm going to be creating a crystal kaleidoscope in our diamond edge trinket stand mold. I'm using Bond Crafter resin and I'm mixing up 4 ounces of that for the bottom and using 7 drops of that HTVRont black pigment paste as well as Let's Resin Laser Black Ultra Fine Glitter Powder. It's super sparkly and super fine and it looks great at the bottom of these dishes. This is one of the easiest pours you could possibly do, and there's so many different things you can do with this mold since it's a top up pour. Basically, I'm just pouring the 4 ounces in the bottom there, and you leave that to cure overnight, or for at least 12 hours or so. I tap the ends of the mold just to get it situated into the little 6 feet on the bottom. Then I have a photo printout of a kaleidoscope, I'm calling it. I use a Fisker's hole punch for that, and I have some Loctite gel super glue. I just put a dot in the center to hold the printout securely down for when I top coat it with resin. I believe this is a 3.5-inch piece. I have these hole punches in so many different sizes and shapes, but the 3.5 fits perfectly. For the top coat, you only need 1.25 ounces of resin, so I mixed up some Bond Crafter again and just top coated the piece. And then you want to cover it and leave to cure for a full cure, at least 24 hours. Then it's time to demold. Oh, big surprise, that's what it looks like. But for this one, I'm going to add some crystals to the top of it. See how cute those diamond edges look on the sides? I don't know what they call this little pen, but it's kind of gummy and it lets you pick up the crystals very easily. And I have some Liquid Fusion heavy duty adhesive for those crystals. I could have used super glue, but when I tried this on another piece, the super glue was leaving marks if it got outside the crystal area. That's why I'm being very anal retentive here and putting just a dot of glue. And this is also why I do voiceovers, because you wouldn't have want to hear me swearing trying to get that first crystal in place. I'll do these first few slow and then I'll speed ramp it up so you're not going crazy watching me place each and every crystal. Although I do make a mistake, 3 of them in here. But this is a cute way to make just resin art look prettier. There's so many different prints you can get. You can get mandalas, you can get stars. You could embed a photo of your favorite person or pet on this little stand. We've done, oh gosh, mini grids on here. I've just sold a lot of these over the years in different colors and grid shapes, sacred geometry. This one I'm just calling Crystal Kaleidoscope because it looks like you're looking through a kaleidoscope. And for this part of the video, I think my lens was kind of dirty. That's why it's looking not as sharp, I think. And I didn't leave the focus down on the bottom because I knew I'd be holding the crystals up. Oh, see right there? I put the wrong crystal. I have 2 different things. I have rainbow Colorshift crystals that are supposed to be on the inside and the outside, and then AB crystals, which are the inner ring. But I just put one of the rainbow Colorshift on the inner ring, and I'm having problems getting that one on my pen. Oops, there I go. Gotta fix it. Good thing I caught that before I was done. And here, because I have glue all over the place, I just took some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip to clean it up. And that's what's good about this liquid fusion. It doesn't cure right away, so you can reposition things. If that had been super glue, I would have been stuck with it just sitting there. And like I said, this little pen, I don't even know what they call them. I don't even know how I found this, but as soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh my God, I need that because it'll pick up the crystal and then just put it down, except for the first one, of course, that I did that didn't stay down. So then I'm doing the inner ring, and now I think I'm going on the outer ring. You can go crazy adding these crystals, and these are pretty big. I believe these are 6mm crystals because I was not going to monkey around with 1 or 2mm ones. I just wanted something to give it a little bit more sparkle. But I'm just using the toothpick to put a little bit of glue on the bottom and then putting it in place. And then again using the Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol just to pick up the excess glue if there was any. In a second here, we'll have a better view of it where it's not so cloudy. But our diamond edge trinket stand mold, turn this into a cute little project. It's a little grid you could keep by your bedside or your office desk or anywhere else. What would you create with our diamond edge trinket stand mold?